2017 RAV4 Toyota 2.5. Today we're gonna do the spark plug, the tune-up. We remove the cover on the top. We use a number 10 millimeter socket to remove the bolt from the coil, and we're gonna disconnect the coil, pushing down and just pull it off. And to remove the spark plug, we're gonna use a 5/8 socket with extensions. So this Toyota, it has not any misfire, so we're just doing the tune-up, just replacing the spark plugs. So right here I got a new one. This is the part number NGK. So they came pre-gap, so just ready to install. So, and also I'm gonna use anti-seize for the thread lubricant. So I recommend you to use that one, the anti-seize, to prevent the spark plug get stuck. So we're gonna install the spark plug. We're gonna use hand tight, and we are going to torque 16 foot-pounds. So I got my torque ready at 16 foot-pounds. So you just make sure you hear it like a click. Alright. Alrighty, so now we're gonna install the ignition coil, the number 10 bolt, and we're gonna reconnect the coil. So we're gonna do the same thing with the other three, okay? If you want to torque the bolt number 10, the torque is 8 foot-pounds. Right, so you're gonna do the other three. Alright, so I'm done. So we're gonna put the cover again, and we are going to start the car to see if we don't have no misfires. Alrighty, so the car is running and it sounds good. No misfires. That means we did a good job. Alright.